Hey guys, how's it going? Well, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be a little different. I will be actually fixing these. My son was playing with this switch the other day and he dropped it and he broke the track piece. I guess it's called a rail. So I will be showing you how I fix that. So let's begin. So when he dropped the switch, it actually pulled the rail part out of the controller and I wasn't able to push it back in. As you can see, it's a little crooked and it was a pain to get it to slide off the track. Also, I had to purchase a special type of screwdriver, and it's a Y tri-point screwdriver. I'll leave a link down in the description of the one I purchased. So there's only 4 screws that hold this thing together, so I just removed each one carefully and set them aside. So after I removed the 4 screws, I pretty much pulled the controller apart. And I tried to be careful. As you see, I'm kind of fumbling it. I just didn't want anything else to fall out. Then I just pretty much realigned the rail piece back to where original position was. If you saw that little clip too, that was a little corner piece of the rail actually broke. So I checked, it still seemed like it was gonna work without it. And then I just pretty much put it back together. So after I put the controller back together, I put it back in the switch just to test it to make sure everything was working properly. As far as I can tell, everything works properly, so I am happy. I guess spending $7 is better than spending $70 for new Joy-Con. So that's going to be it for today. I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, please drop a like. And if you have any other questions or comments, you know where to leave them. And if you want to see more kind of content like this, please consider subscribing. And I guess that's it. So until the next one, thanks and bye.